Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll look at CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is a AWS service which is used to monitor your other AWS services. So in this video I'm gonna show you like how to enable SNS, set alarms on your EC2 CPU utilization and memory utilization. So log into your AWS account, search CloudWatch. So here in CloudWatch you can set alarms, you can create a default dashboards to view this metrics. You can monitor your existing systems and you can also write a custom scripts for monitoring and triggering the events. Okay, so first of all let's go to SNS, simple notification service. So simple notification service, it helps you to send a notification to your mobile like an SMS or else an email. So I'm creating a topic here. Let's go with the standard topic name. I'm giving a server alert, and let's go and create a topic. Now go and create a subscription. See, if you want to get an SMS as a notification, you can select SMS. I'm selecting an email here. So protocol email. You have to provide your email ID here. Now let's go and create a subscription. Now go to your email. You will be getting an email from the AWS notification subscription. Click on the link to enable the subscriptions. So it redirects to this page for subscription confirmation, and if you don't want the subscription you can also unsubscribe from there. Now I'll go and launch an EC2 instance. I'm speeding up this because we are already aware of how to launch an EC2 instance. If not, you can go to my previous videos. So my instance is launched. I have to enable detail monitoring here. So go to monitoring tab, enable it and confirm. Now go to status checks tab, actions, and create a status check alarm. You can also do it from the CloudWatch. So here I'm creating an alarm. So alarm notification, I'm selecting server alert. You can also specify an action. So I'm not specifying any action here. Alarm threshold, I'll set it to maximum, and I want to monitor CPU utilization. I want to push the alarm when the CPU utilization is more than a 50%. I'll keep the period as a 1 minute. Let's create an alarm. Now log into the server. So install stress. I'm also installing htop just to view the CPU, and I'm also installing htop. This helps in seeing CPU and memory utilization. I'm taking a duplicate session, and we will run a stress command just to increase the CPU load so that the alarm will push a notification to my email. Copy the stress command. As you can see, CPU utilization has been increased. As you can see, the alarm got triggered and you got an alert to your email stating the CPU utilization is high. Now we'll go and see how we can monitor the memory alerts. Memory. For that, what I'm doing is like I have creating a role for my EC2 instance. Go to roles, create a role. This role should be having full access to the CloudWatch. Select AWS service. Use case I'm selecting as EC2. Click next. Now search for the policy. So CloudWatch full access. Selecting this policy. Adding to this role. CloudWatch log full access also need to be provided if you want to check the log monitoring as well. Click next. Giving a role name as monitoring. Now just create a role. Once the role is created, we have to attach it to the EC2 instance. Go to security, modify AIAM role and attach role here. You can also do it by creating a user and giving the security key, access key after logging into server. So these packages need to be installed in order to monitor the. I will provide these commands in a description. You can able. As you can see, previously there is no metrics available, but here you have a 3 metrics here. So click on that instant ID. You have memory utilization, memory used and memory available. I'm selecting all 3. Here in a dashboard, instead of line, I'm selecting a number. This shows the CPU utilization is 67.1% now. Go to graph metrics tab. Here you can see the period as 5 minutes. I'm setting up to 30 seconds. So it will pull out this 30 seconds, sorry, 1 minute. It will pull out this 1 minute data. I created a cron job to run every minute. Now we'll run a stress command to increase the load on memory. I'll take a duplicate session and run a htop in order to see how the memory utilization is going. So memory utilization is also reaching high. We can also set an alarm notification SNS for this, as we have to select the system metrics as CPU utilization. Once the matrix is selected, so statistics I'll give maximum. Period will select 1 minute. I want to get the result fast, so I'm giving 1 minute. So threshold is greater than 55%. It needs to shun the notification alert as well. Alert name I'm giving as memory. Click next and create an alarm. It takes time, so it is showing insufficient data. So your CPU alert is 55.2%, so it should throw an alert. We'll go to alarms and check. As you can see, there is a memory alert. As you can see, there is an alarm email sent. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos like this.